Number 1. MTS-255. A notable firearm hailing from Russia has garnered considerable interest, the revolver shotgun. Its experimental models first emerged in 1993, and variations were subsequently developed in 12, 20, and 28 gauges. Weighing in at approximately 6.8 to 8.2 pounds, this unique single-barrel revolver shotgun boasted a 5-round cylinder and notably lacked a safety mechanism. Originally crafted with hunting in mind, the 12-gauge variant garnered significant popularity among enthusiasts. Unfortunately, production of these firearms has ceased, rendering the remaining units highly coveted collectibles among firearm aficionados and collectors alike. Number 2. Beretta U-22 Neos. Next in line is a fascinating offering from Beretta, an esteemed Italian company that has held the distinction of being the oldest firearms manufacturer since its establishment in 1526, a mere 3 decades after Christopher Columbus's momentous discovery of America. Renowned for their superior craftsmanship, Beretta firearms have gained worldwide recognition and are highly sought after by various nations, including the United States, where they are trusted and utilized by law enforcement and military forces. While the Beretta U-22 Neos is no longer in active production, it remains available at an affordable price of approximately $300. This exceptional firearm, designed with precision, is chambered for 22 AR rounds, rendering it perfect for both practice sessions and recreational shooting endeavors. Number 3. ARN-50. In addition to the remarkable pistol design, Serby Firearms has a diverse range of intriguing offerings that cater to firearm enthusiasts. Among their collection is a standout 50 BMG sniper rifle, originally intended to be available at the enticing price point of $875. What set this rifle apart was its single-shot mechanism, devoid of any automatic action. Reloading this precision instrument involved a series of steps: breaking open the barrel and receiver, unscrewing the breech cap, and ultimately extracting the spent shell casing. While it's true that the rifle's current price has been revised to $1,600, Serby Firearms remain steadfast in their belief that the initial affordability of the rifle would offset the unique and deliberate reloading process. This commitment to innovation and accessible firearm options exemplifies Serby Firearms' dedication to serving a diverse clientele. Number 4. GB-22 Meters. Mark Serbu, a renowned engineer, firearm specialist, and the visionary behind Serby Firearms USA, has crafted a remarkable masterpiece, a minimalist pistol comprising a mere 4 parts. This ingenious creation, chambered for a single .22 caliber cartridge, boasts an exceptional feature. Its assembly can be effortlessly accomplished within the confines of one's home, eliminating the need for complex welding procedures. With instructions priced at a mere $12 and the availability of a string wire for the spring, virtually anyone can embark on the journey of constructing this awe-inspiring weapon. Number 5. The Littlest Finger Shot. Cinema possesses a profound ability to captivate and inspire, as evidenced by the ingenuity of an expert who painstakingly replicated the gun from the movie, killing them softly purely out of curiosity. By skillfully trimming the barrels to a mere 3 inches, he fashioned a compact 12-gauge shotgun. This modification brought forth several advantages, including swifter reload times, enhanced maneuverability, and the potential to knock back adversaries. However, it's worth noting that this formidable weapon also carried the risk of severing one's fingers. Despite this inherent danger, the modified firearm still retained its functionality, albeit with limited long-range capabilities. This remarkable endeavor highlights the impact of cinema, where even fictional weaponry can spur real-world innovation. Number 6. Sci-fi Gun. An imaginative 3D artist has brought forth an awe-inspiring creation, a meticulously designed gun that appears as though it belongs within the virtual realm of a video game. Notably, this intricate design has been crafted to match a 1-to-1 scale model, allowing enthusiasts to bring it to life using the advanced capabilities of a 3D printer. With its striking aesthetics and futuristic appeal, this exceptional gun serves as an ideal gift for avid sci-fi enthusiasts, capable of adorning a prominent place on any collector's shelf. The artist wholeheartedly encourages viewers to engage with the creation, inviting them to offer their valuable feedback and ratings, further fueling the evolution of this extraordinary piece. Number 7. Cabot Guns Fire and Ice. These exquisite firearms are truly one-of-a-kind creations meticulously crafted from a fusion of Damascus steel, Damascus titanium, and fragments hailing from a meteorite that has traversed the cosmos for over 4.5 billion years. Adding to their allure, the front and rear sights of these pistols are adorned with stunning blue sapphires, each valued at a remarkable price of over $1,000 per carat. In a display of unparalleled craftsmanship, the pistols are accompanied by a bespoke toolkit, encompassing a hammer, knife, and wrench, all seamlessly presented within a custom handcrafted suitcase. Number 8. Kriss Vector 45 ACP. Offering a compact and precise shooting experience, the Kriss Vector 45 ACP submachine gun distinguishes itself through its innovative and intelligent design. Notably, it incorporates an internal stabilizer within the barrel, which dynamically moves upon firing to maintain the barrel's horizontal alignment and minimize recoil. This unique feature enables users to achieve swift and accurate shots, enhancing overall shooting performance. Furthermore, the Kriss Vector 45 ACP is highly customizable, allowing for easy modifications to suit individual preferences. In addition to its tactical advantages, civilian buyers have the opportunity to acquire the semi-automatic version of this firearm. Priced at $1,720, it appeals to enthusiasts of popular video game franchises such as Call of Duty and Battlefield, who seek an authentic shooting experience. Number 9. MG338 Machine Gun. The MG338 machine gun has recently achieved a significant milestone by obtaining certification for its gun, ammunition, and suppressor from the United States military. This groundbreaking firearm is the result of the collaborative efforts between Sig Sauer, the American division of the renowned German company. Engineered to be lightweight and versatile, the MG338 is specifically designed to accommodate 338 Norma Mag cartridges, while also allowing for potential modifications to support 7.62 by 51mm NATO rounds. Notable features include a patented recoil mitigation system, an impressive effective range of 1.2 to 1.6 miles, and a formidable rate of fire, capable of delivering approximately 600 rounds per minute. Number 10. TMMG Descent. The United States has also made significant strides in the development of firearms, with a team introducing a highly compact submachine gun known as Descent. Weighing a mere 4.4 pounds and measuring 14.7 inches in length, excluding the stock, this remarkable firearm can be easily stowed away in a large pizza box. One of its standout features is the patented compact action bolt mechanism, skillfully reduced in size to enhance its overall compactness. Available in multiple calibers, it offers magazine capacities ranging from 30 to 32 rounds. However, with a price tag of $2,000 for U.S. customers, opinions on its value vary, with some appreciating its qualities, while others considering it a slightly expensive investment.